In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Shopify store. Having a contact form is one of the simplest ways to let your customers reach out with questions, feedback, or support requests without exposing your personal email address. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a dedicated contact page using Shopify's built-in features, so you don't need any extra apps or custom code. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Under Online Store, you'll see several options. Choose Pages. This is where all the static pages on your site live, like your About page or FAQs, and it's also where we'll create your new contact page. At the top right of the Pages area, click on the button that says Add Page. This opens up a blank page editor. Here, you'll want to give your new page a clear, simple title so customers know exactly what it's for. Common choices are Contact Us, Contact, or Contact Form. Type your preferred title into the title field. You can leave the content area empty for now if you just want the standard contact form, or you can add a short message above the form later, such as your typical response time or what kind of inquiries you handle. Next, look over to the right side of the screen for the section labeled Theme Template. This controls what kind of layout and functionality your page will use. Open the template drop-down, and from the list, select the template named Contact. This is a special template that automatically includes Shopify's built-in contact form with fields like name, email, and message. Once you've selected the contact template, make sure you click Save. This step is important so that Shopify actually creates the page and applies the template. Now, let's quickly check what this new contact page looks like on your storefront. From your Shopify admin, go back to Online Store and click Customize to open your theme editor. At the top of the editor, there's a Page Selector drop-down. Open that, switch the view to Pages, and then select the contact page title you just created. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of your new contact form exactly as your customers will see it. If everything looks good, you're done. Your Shopify store now has a fully functional contact form that visitors can use to get in touch with you.